Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Ford Explorer XLT 4-wheel drive. This 4-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.